Well, we have already implemented in a previous class the web servers or EC2 instances. Now, let's start by creating a target group for them. From the EC2 dashboard, I scroll down, enter target groups, and create. First, I'm going to specify the target type to be instances. That's the default for targeting an EC2 instance. Note that it is also possible to specify an IP, a Lambda function, or an application load balancer. In this case, I'm using EC2 instances, so I'm going to go with the instances option. Below, I must specify a name. I will call it WP Lab. Okay, from the protocol point of view, I will leave it as HTTP, although we can see all the supported protocols. Since my web servers respond on port 80, I'm going to leave it as HTTP 80. In the VPC section, I select my VPC. This is where my servers are running. In protocol version, I set it to HTTP 1, also compatible with HTTP 2. Now, it's time to specify the protocol for the health check configuration. Since I am using HTTP, the default protocol makes sense. By expanding the advanced health check settings, I can see where I can override the port on which the health check is performed. I can also change the default good state and bad state thresholds. Now, down here, we have the success code 200, so if I run a test after I have configured everything, and I get code 200 as the response, then I know that everything is correct at the destination. So, in order for us to see the changes faster in the next lessons, I'm going to change the time interval to 10 seconds and press Next. Here, let's specify the instances or targets to be included in this group. In this case, my web servers. Then, I select the running instances, click on Include as pending below, and I already have them added to my target. I will click on Create a Target Group. And I'm done. I now have my target group created. Notice that the Health Status Details column says, the target group is not configured to receive traffic from the load balancer. This is because the target group has not yet been associated with a load balancer, and that is what we will do in the next class.